Hello children of class 2. Welcome back to your computer classes. I hope you have enjoyed your holidays and you are taking care of yourself and following all the rules and you're not unnecessarily going outside to play. Please take care of yourself and also your family members. So let's get started with today's lesson. What is the lesson today? Earlier we had completed 4 lessons. And those lessons were computer and electronic device, role of computers, input output devices, keyboard and keyboard special keys. Now keyboard special keys is not of your half yearlies but of your final. So we have already completed one lesson of the finals, but today we will do the next lesson, and the lesson is mouse and input device. So let's get started with this lesson. Okay, today I will do the reading for you, and children, I want you to watch this video so that you know, because when we make the question paper or for the test, for the exam, we can ask from anywhere. So watch the video. Don't depend only on the exercises given at the back of the book. Okay children, so let's get started. Mouse and input device. We know that the mouse helps us to type text, play games, draw pictures, watch videos, etc. Let us learn more about it. What do you know about mouse till now? That it helps us to type text, the mouse helps us to play games, draw pictures, है ना. माउस की हेल्प से हम टेक्स्ट को टाइप करते हैं, लेटर्स को टाइप करते हैं, गेम्स खेल सकते हैं, पिक्चर्स ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं, वीडियोस देख सकते हैं. लेकिन आज हम देखेंगे व्हाट एल्स वी लर्न मोर, व्हाट एल्स is about the mouse. Now let's start. A mouse is an input device. What is a mouse? It is an input device. You input anything you want to input. We also read this in the input output devices. A mouse is an input device that controls the cursor or pointer and can move and select text, icons, files and folders. What is a mouse? It controls the cursor. Have you seen the cursor or the pointer? It is like an arrow on the computer and it controls that. It and can move and select. Through mouse you can select and move files and icons, files and folders. Anything you want to select, you do it with the help of the mouse. Thus, mouse is also known as the pointing device. We have read this in the input output devices also. बट टुडे स्पेसिफिकली वी विल लर्न अबाउट माउस. आज हम सिर्फ माउस के बारे में लर्न करेंगे. और माउस जो है वो उसको पॉइंटिंग डिवाइस भी कहते हैं. क्या कहते हैं? पॉइंटिंग डिवाइस. The mouse is always placed on a flat surface known as mouse pad in front of the computer. Where is a mouse placed? कहाँ पे mouse रखा जाता है? On a flat surface. Flat means चपटा. Okay, in front of the computer, and on that surface और उस surface के ऊपर we move it. And very flexibly it moves there. Okay, now let's see the parts of a mouse. The mouse consists of 2 buttons, a left button, a right button and a scroll wheel in the middle. There are 2 buttons, a left button, a right button and a scroll wheel in the middle. With the help of the scroll wheel you scroll, you can go up and down the page on the computer. Now the left button, let us see the characteristics of the left button. Click, double click, drag and drop. These are the things that you can do with the help of the left button. You click with the left button, you can also double click with the left button, and you can drag and drop also. Drag means taking something, dragging something, okay, and then putting it there. Right button. Right click to the open click to open the lists of commands or items. What do you do with the right button? You can open the lists of commands. ओके आप जब राइट बटन दबाते हैं माउस का तो उससे आप एक लिस्ट को ओपन करते हैं और आप फिर उनमें से कमांड्स को चूज़ कर सकते हैं. नाउ द स्क्रॉल व्हील. What is the scroll wheel? Moves the page up and down the screen. With the scroll, you can move up and down the screen. Okay, now types of mouse. There are 3 types of mouse: mechanical mouse, optical mouse, cordless mouse. Okay, once again, mechanical mouse. It has a ball on the inner underside and optical sensors to detect motion of the mouse. What is a mechanical mouse? It has a ball on the underside. उसके नीचे एक बॉल होती है माउस के and optical sensors होते हैं to detect motion of the mouse. Okay, now what is an optical mouse? It uses as a laser or LED that emits light to detect the movement. Okay, it uses a laser or LED that emits light to detect the movement. Okay, movement को detect करने के लिए. Then a cordless mouse. What is a cordless? Which does not have a wire. It is a wireless mouse. The mouse does not have a wire. It is cordless and connects the computer with radio signals. Okay, children, till today we will do only this much, and in the next class I will read it to you more and explain it to you more. I hope you have understood. Watch this video again so that you can understand well. Okay, children, God bless you and take care of yourself.